Hello and thank you for visiting Strobes.com. My name is Lewis, and this is our brand new E62 LED stick. It's our smallest LED sticks, features 2 of our E6 mini LEDs. There are a lot of new features with this new light. So we've taken our E6 mini, putting in our E6 mini housing. The new optics on our E6 mini feature a combination flood on the outsides and spot in the center. You get that on both sides. They're removable modules, so they're field replaceable. Take out one screw in the center, the modules come out. If you need to change colors, you have an issue, we can take care of it. You do not need to uninstall your light. No more uninstalling. Just send us a bad module if you happen to get one or have an issue. Field replaceable. If you change positions in your department down the road, field replaceable. Swap out the modules, buy them, plug them right in. This light comes with a track in the back. All the different mounting hardware you need, L brackets, screws, so you can slide the brackets up and down the back of the light. Features a 4-foot cord, 21 individual flash patterns, and this light is phenomenally bright. So let me zoom out and show you the light output of this light, some of the flash patterns. There's brand new LED diodes in this light as well. So it does half and half flash patterns. It does solid, it does slow, it does fast. It does 21 of the most popular flash patterns that we offer. There's the quad flash that goes back to a back and forth. Does some random flash patterns. It's fully synchronizable with our other E-series lights. And as you can see, this light is extremely bright. That's a California flash pattern. One side stays steady, the other side flashes. There's a couple different options. There's our full steady. If you wanted to run this light with a external flasher, you could set the whole thing to steady and run it with a flasher. This is our random flash pattern. It'll scroll through all the different flash patterns in the light. So this is our brand new E62. 21 flash patterns, 5 full year warranty. Any issue at all in 5 years, you can send the light back to us, we'll replace it for free, or now that they're field replaceable modules, if you have an issue with a module, which I highly doubt you will, you can send it back to us and we'll send you a brand new one the same day. Again, you'll be able to change these out, and eventually you're going to be able to custom order any color configuration you want. We have all the popular safety colors on the website now. So my name is Lewis. Thank you for visiting Strobes.com. And like I always tell everybody, we offer quality you can trust. This light, you will be happy, trust me. Thank you.